that there was a person, there's an Indian, who goes to France to get a bachelor's degree. But when he goes to France, the language of instruction was French. And this Indian, he did not know French. So he used to attend the classes religiously, regularly. Whenever he used to attend, he used to get a P. P is for present. Full year he attends the class. But the instructions are in French, he does not understand it. After 1 year, he appears for the examination. The question paper is in French. But yet he gets a P. P is not for past, P is for present. But just by being present, do you think he will pass in the examination? He does not understand a word. Maybe because he knows English, like how many of us, we know Urdu script, so we can recite the Quran. So he can read some of the French without understanding, because the script of English and French is the same. Do you think he'll pass in the examination? He gets a P. The P is for present, it is not for past. That's the reason it's very important that we read the Quran with understanding.